Hi kindergarten, today you're going to cut out numbers 1 through 10 and put them in order on your paper, just like this. Hi kindergarten, we're going to read the story, One Little Pumpkin. See if you can sing along with me. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little pumpkins, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little pumpkins. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little pumpkins, 10 pumpkins growing in a patch. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little pumpkins, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little pumpkins, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little pumpkins, 1 pumpkin growing in a patch. Hey, where did everybody go? T-H-E-E-N-D, the end. To practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now, boys and girls, you will use your sentence strip. There are 2 sides. This side that has the dashes on it will be the back. The side that has one long line will be the page, or the side, that you will put the pumpkins on. I'm going to lay that flat. I'm going to put the line at the bottom. And now I'm going to take the orange paper that has the pumpkins on it. I'm going to look at all those numbers. And now I'm going to think, what number should we cut out first? Number 1. So now we need our scissors. Remember, thumb and 2 fingers on the bottom. The thumb goes on the top. I open up my mouth and go chop, chop, chop. So friends, we're going to just do our best cutting out the pumpkin the best we can. And then I'll put down my scissors, and here is number 1. It is so much fun. All right, and now I need my glue. Remember, you just open the lid, and you just use a little tiny bit. And now I'm going to glue it all the way to the edge, touching the line, just like that. So it sits on the line, but if I touch over here, it will help so I have enough room for all of my pumpkins. Please don't start in the middle. We always start at the end. Just like when we read, we're going to start right there with our numbers. What number comes after 1? 2 is next. 2 fingers in the bottom, my thumb goes on the top. I open up my mouth and go chop, chop, chop. And take my time, do my best cutting. And now I put it down. And now I have number 2. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back, just like that. And now I'm going to make sure number 2 is right next to number 1. And they're even touching. What comes after 2? 3 is next. 2 fingers on the bottom, my thumb goes on the top. I open up my mouth and go chop, chop, chop. Thank you. All right, so I'm going to turn upside down. I'll put a little bit of glue on the back. I will make them touch. And now number 3 is done. What number comes next? 4 is after 3. So we could say 3 and 1 makes 4. And the first we cut, 2 fingers on the bottom, my thumb goes on the top. I open up my mouth and go chop, chop, chop. So on the back, I need my glue. I'll make them touch, and I glue it nice and flat. What is next after 4? 5. All right, so now we will find the number 5. 2 fingers on the bottom, my thumb goes on the top. I open up my mouth and go chop, chop, chop. So 4 and 1 makes 5. Turn it upside down, a little bit of glue, and now I will put down number 5. What number is next, friends? Number 6. Be careful because 6 and 9 look similar, but I have to make sure the stem of the pumpkin is up, and there we go for number 6. So that tells us 5, and 1 more makes 6. I'm cutting very carefully, and now I turn it upside down. I make a touch. What number comes next? Number 7 is next. Good job. 6 and 1 makes 7. What rhymes with 7? 11 rhymes with 7. All right. A little glue on the back. What number is next after 7, friends? Oh, there it is. Number 8 is oh so great. 2 fingers on the bottom. My thumb goes on the top. I open up my mouth and go chop, chop, chop. All right. I'll turn it upside down. And now I glue it next to the 7. I have 2 more to cut. What comes next after 8? Number 9 is oh so fine. A circle and a line would make the number 9. So that number 9. So 8 and 1 more makes 9. So a little bit of glue on the back. I make sure the 9 is going the correct way, and I have room for 1 more pumpkin. What number is our last number? What comes after 9? Number 10. 10. What rhymes with the word 10? I know the word hen. Hen, 10. Those are rhyming words. And I know that 9 and 1 more makes the number 10. And there we go, friends. Now that I have finished gluing, I'm going to twist it closed so the glue goes back inside. I take the lid. I listen for that step, then I know it is going to stay on, and I can put my tools away. Now I need my, Now I need my pencil so that I can write my name and the date. So right at the bottom of those pumpkins, I'm going to write my name. I always start my letters at the top, the top. I always start my letters at the top, the top. When I write another letter, I get better, better, better. If I always start my numbers at the top, the top. And friends, remember, we're going to write the date. And if you forgot how to hold the pencil, remember the baby shark, 2 fingers and a thumb. And you put the shark right there, and it holds it just right and squeeze tight. And our date is 11-6-20. I can put my tools away. Please take a picture of your finished work and send it to your teacher on Seesaw. Great job, mathematicians.